What's going on, guys? We are bringing you a special video. This is a Crucible match that if we do not win, we have to dismantle our Gjallarhorns. And what we mean by win, it's not winning the game. Now, we have to go 20 kills positive. We do not breach 20 kills, get 20 kills or more, or go positive. Both, we have to do both. Then we have to dismantle our Gjallarhorns. So, I mean, I'm really nervous right now getting into this game. Haven't gotten a kill yet. They're securing B.
Dude, I'm scared. Oh, that's a double team. Dude, 20 kills, positive KD, or bye-bye Gjallarhorn.
I'm getting so many assists.
Yeah, and the sad part about this is, I just got my Gjallarhorn 2 days ago. My first Gjallarhorn. Surprising, I know.
Oh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Oh, come on, come on. I'm doing so bad right now. I'm doing so bad.
Just jumping for days. Oh god. I really do not want to have to frickin'... Oh, I'm so nervous. Please.
Oh, dude, I'm so bad. I'm gonna cry if I have to dismantle Gjallarhorn.
Okay, I'm gonna step it up.
Alright,
Watch this trip mine. You're gonna see this lovely trip mine across the map.
20 kills, easy.
Boom! Trip mine across the map.
Easy 20. What the? I just saw someone spawn and then teleported away. Dude, shotguns! Why shotguns? If I get killed by a shotgun one more time, I'm pulling the shotgun out. Ooh, so far, I'm doing horrible, dude.
Oh my lord. We have to get 20 kills, dude. The galley squad, it's gonna be gone. We're not gonna have the galley squad, what we've dreamed of ever since playing Destiny.
We're gonna be kicked from every nightfall for not having galley, kicked from every raid for not having galley. It's gonna be sad. Oh no, we got a lagger. Oh yes, I got the kill. Wait, did I? Yeah, I did. Oh, heavy ammo.
Oh, no, okay, good. Phew. I think I'm gonna make it.
Okay, good, we both made it.
Woo. Running through here.
He has golden gun! I can't die! I can't die! Please, please, please. He's a lagger. He's a lagger. Okay, I'm just gonna come up here. Some green. Dude, the lagger! I just shot the lagger with my rocket. He better be dead. I'm just gonna say he's dead. Okay, I retraded. That's fine.
I can't get a kill with my rockets. Yes!
Time to super.
Yes, I got another kill, I think. Please tell me that was a kill.
Okay.
No! What the frick?
I don't think I'm doing
I
that.
shot a lagger and he killed me.
I know, dude, there's the one lagger on the other team. I don't know, he's probably like a lag switcher. Honestly. Ooh, I'm scared. I'm shaking. What? And also, guys, if you like these high stake Gjallarhorn exotic
let's just call it a
bounty
high
videos.
stake. This is like the highest stake.
Yeah, these Gjallarhorn exotic dismantling videos, leave a like. And then also, if you really like it, comment down which exotic you want us to do next.
I just got a freaking gnarly throwing there.
Yeah, tell us which exotic you want us to do next. Please comment No Land Beyond. We will have that video up in no time.
No land beyond. No time. Puns for days. Up, that's this lag switching. Badonkadonk.
Triple! Yes, triple! Finally.
Oh crap.
I didn't fail a super for once.
You might have just got it from that. Just think, if you wouldn't have been there at that time, you just dismantled your Gjallarhorn.
No, yeah, shotgun. Alright, I'm about to pull out shotgun if this one's out.
I know. This is nerve-wracking.
I can't take this kind of pressure.
The nerves. They're getting to me, dude. Oh my god, that headshot. Gnarly.
Okay. Can't find anyone. Oh, heavy. Jeez, we're gonna miss heavy.
No, I got shotgun.
I swear if they take it without us.
No! I didn't get it!
You didn't?
No.
Oh, no. No, it's all bad for you. It's all bad.
Just gonna let them take it until I get my trip mine up. Once my trip mine is up, they're dead. It went through the window.
Oh, it did. Sucks.
Yes! Dude, watch out!
I don't know what's happening. Die! You're dead. No, I missed my punch. Yes, you're dead. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Someone's behind me. There's people everywhere. What's happening? Jump. Just keep jumping. Just keep jumping.
This is a close match. It's good. This is good.
Okay. Woo. And again, we don't have to win. Just 20 kills with positive KD.
No. Goldie. Yes, he got supered. I took it. So
No, I can't kill by a Nova Bomb. He wasted on one person.
Panic bomb. Sorry for stealing this, guys. Oh yeah, I stole his kill and he stole my kill. I tagged him with a sniper. Is that like 0H?
No, he pulls out Golden Gun, but it's a lagger with Golden Gun.
Oh god, I got shouldered. No, not the shoulder charge. I hate shoulder charge. Shoulder charge is so bad. People are so mean. I'm gonna cry.
If only we could send everyone. I bet you if I send everyone a message saying we need 20 kills or we're dismantling Gjallarhorn, they'd all line up for us. That's how.
Or they'd all kill us as many times as possible. Like, only super us. Only try to kill us.
Dude, I'm not doing too good. You're 400 up. I mean.
Oh wait, I got ahead of you?
Yeah, you're 400 up.
Oh my god, Flame Guard just saved this dude's life.
Okay, nope, shotgun time. I'm not dealing with this. Please tell me I have my party crasher. Yes. My Matador is not on this character.
It's the lagger.
No, yeah. Okay.
Help me out here. No.
How'd I kill? Our whole team was there. How'd I get the kill? Oh, I have super. I don't know what's happening. No, the lagger. I'm gonna face off.
Heavy ammo.
Okay, I'm not gonna make it over there. But I can make it over here. Die. You're dead.
Turn around, right around.
Oh! The clutchies. Oh, wolf backgrounds. Die, wolf backgrounds. Save me.
Oh my god, dude.
No. They're all over there. They're all over. Oh, I just passed you up. I have 4,000. Dude, it's not looking good. Use that gold gun.
Oh!
I think think you might have just wasted golden gun.
No, I did not.
Zone B neutralized. You're in the lead. Zone B.
Shotgun 2 OP need nerf. Who uses Thorn in Control?
Freaking.
That I might as well say 100 and 0 if I use Thorn.
We might win. Nope. Oh. We won.
No.
Come on.
Wait, we did? Okay, come on.
Oh no. Dude, I'm
dude,
so
we get 20
nervous. I
kills.
didn't do good at all.
Dude, please get
20
me
kills.
20.
We're gonna both have 19, I swear.
Dude, come on.
Come on,
Don't feel
come on,
like
come on,
this.
come on, come on,
Look
come
how
on.
close I am to an upgrade.
Yeah! Yes!
Oh my god.
Oh, look at this guy. Guarantee you shot pack. Okay.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Dude.
I've never been in so much stress.
Oh.
26. Yes, we each went positive also. That was scary.
I had 10 assists. See, this is what I mean. Okay, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.
Leave a comment down below if you want more of these. Comment which weapon. Can be a good legendary too. There's some legendaries that should be exotics, as we all know.
Fatebringer.
So, again, thank you.
Peace out.